Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Zach Gordon, your go-to personal and business funding consultant. Today, we're going to be diving into a strategy that could potentially add thousands of dollars to your pocket each year. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's have you stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn a bank account offer into a lucrative side hustle. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss out on more tips like this one and more strategies. Now let's talk about bank account offers. You've probably seen them. Open an account, get 200 bucks, or deposit 15,000 and earn 500. Well, these offers are everyone, but most people don't realize how powerful they can be when used strategically. I'm excited to introduce you two game-changing websites that will revolutionize how you find and capitalize on these offers. Let's go ahead and start with bankrate.com. This site is a gold mine. As you can see, I have the best bank account bonuses for October set up here just to give you a show. As you can see, it lists different offers for each bank, different various offers, categorizing them by personal account, savings account, money market, referrals, and even business bank account. So now why is this important? Well, imagine being able to see all of the best offers in one place, allowing to plan your moves strategically. But we're not stopping here. Let me introduce you to another resource that we have here. And that is depositaccounts.com. This is another great resource. As you can see, they have the offers for October right here, and they even have the state availability. But they also have a section in here that shows past and historical data on past promotions. This is crucial because it helps you predict when banks might run their best offers. Now, you might be thinking, okay, these websites are cool, but how do I make money from this? Well, great question. Let's go ahead and break down the strategy. First, you use these websites or websites like these to break down the current offers. And then you create a schedule of account openings based on the requirements and your available funds. See, all these have promotion times and they expire at a certain time. So you want to use them in the best way possible. So you open accounts and you meet the requirements to hit the earn bonuses. Once you've met the requirements and received a bonus, you can move on to the next offer. You could even shut down your account. But here's where it gets really interesting. And this is where the expertise as a business funding comes in handy. Many of these high value offers are for business accounts. Now I know what you're thinking, but I don't have a business. Well, here's the secret. You don't need a large corporation to qualify for most of these business account promotions. As a side hustle, freelance work, or even a doing business as can also suffice in most of these cases. Well, let's say you find a business account that offers you a $750 for depositing $25,000 and maintaining that balance for 90 days. Well, that's effectively a 12% annualized return, far better than most investments. But where do I get the 25 if you don't have it sitting around? Well, this is where the business funding comes into play. As a funding consultant, I can help you access various types of business funding, lines of credit, short-term loans, or even business credit cards with 0% intro APR periods. So let's go ahead and break down a potential scenario just so you can get the math. You obtain a $25,000 business line of credit. Say it's at 8% APR. You can use this to fund a business account offering a $750 bonus. After 90 days, you've earned $750 in bonus money. The interest on that $25,000 for 90 days is about $500. Well, that's a net profit of $250. Plus, you establish a new banking relationship and have access to the line of credit for future opportunities. Now imagine doing this multiple times a year with various offers. The potential for extra income could be significant. But remember, this strategy requires careful planning and execution. So here's some crucial tips that you might want to keep in mind. Always read the fine print. Understand all requirements before opening an account. Keep meticulous records of account openings and closings and the requirements met. Be aware of how multiple account openings might affect your check system's report. Also consider the tax implications. These bonuses are typically reported as interest income. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Start small and scale up as you get comfortable with the process. Now let's go ahead and address some common questions that you might have. Is it legal? Well, absolutely. Banks offer these promotions to attract new customers as long as you're meeting the requirements. Honestly, you are simply taking advantage of a publicly available offer to anyone. Well, will this hurt your credit score? Well, most banks use check systems, so not traditional credit reports for checking accounts. However, if you're applying for business funding, that may involve a hard pull on your credit. Always consider the impact and plan accordingly. How much can you make realistically doing this? Well, it varies depending on your available funds and how aggressively you pursue these offers. Some people may make a few $100s a year, where others can make several thousand. I've seen as much as 10, 20,000, depending on how much time and effort you are willing to put in. But before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that while this strategy can be very rewarding, it's not without its risks. You need to be organized, detail-oriented, and responsible with your finances. Never jeopardize your financial health for a bank bonus. If you're interested in exploring this strategy further, I offer personalized consultations where we can dive deeper into your specific financial situation and create a tailored plan. Go ahead and check the link. I'll have it in the description, and I'll also have it pinned to the comments. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information valuable and eye-opening. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit for an extra strategy to make some extra money. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Until next time, this is Zach Gordon reminding you that with the right knowledge and tools, you can take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.